For sale by the owner, 180 square meter, 2 title, ayan po. Ayan. Mga nasa 10 meters lang siguro ang ano yun ito. Isang 117 tsaka 63 square meter, bali 180 facing west southwest along Alley Road of Blooming Street. Ito po yung mga katabi with monthly income of 150. Ayan po yan ayan. Ito po siya. I'm direct to owner from here. There. Tapos lalabas po tayo a few meters away to LRT Blooming Street. Commercial area ang tax declaration. Ayan. Banda roon, Chinese Hospital. Sa kaliwa ko, kanan ko Chinese Hospital. Ito LRT. Ito eskwela ka ng Gamon Magsaysay. Along Blooming Street Station, LRT Station. Katabi ng PS Bank. Papasok nga lang, ayun yung Chinese Hospital. Papasok po dyan. Hindi ako pwede magtagal. And then LRT. Tapos Rizal Avenue Extension, Manila. Clean title, buhay ang mag-asawang may-ari. Commercial area, commercial and tax declaration. Ayan po siya. Kindly direct inbox me 0933-813-7110. Bye from now! Ayun yung may yan po. Yan yung property. May iskinita. Need nang i-renovate. LRT station.